first thing you want to look out for in the kitchen when you're cooking is sharks. Sharks are notorious for hiding in plain sight in the kitchen. I am well versed in kitchen etiquette, and that's how I know that this is a hiding shark. If you were to touch it, it would come alive and it would bite your hand and it would chop your fingers off. Are you interrupting me? Interrupting me. The hat? Pot hat, pot hat. Pot hat, you dingus. So, tea kettle, how does it feel to get filled up with water all the time? Delicious. Isn't it delicious? Yes, it is. I'm the one asking the questions here. How does it feel to live in the kitchen? It's alright. There's some new silverware. There's some old silverware. They make good conversation during the long winter nights when the family's gone. I miss the old days, though. Back in the old days, the old country, silverware would talk all night with the spoons. They'd tell stories and have parties. It was so good back in those days. We had a fancy chandelier in that place. I miss it. Oh, I miss it. The days before the war. It was real nice back then. I'm sorry. I don't like to talk about this much. Can we cut the scene? Here he is. Hello, I'm the stereo. I talk real slow cause my mouth don't open too fast. It's real hard for me. I'm real dusty. They leave me sitting up on the shelf here. It's real dusty up here. I feel so alone and forgotten. It's a hard life in the kitchen. People are always using me, but nobody thinks to dust me. It's so horrible. Oh, I wish people cared about me. I wish people thought to dust me now and then. Or somebody could just take a washcloth and wipe the dust off just once. I feel so much younger. I'm only 30, but living up here on the shelf, I'm middle-aged. Done some hard living in my time, but no one thinks to dust me. No one even thinks to change my batteries. They think, oh, he's plugged into the wall. He doesn't need batteries, but I'm so dusty. I hate the tea kettle. I hate Weed's constant mistakes.
I made a mistake.
Oops. I'm the coffee kettle. 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 I'm